Hi guys, Brian here, and welcome back. So today we are reviewing again another dino trackers, the Eocarcharia. So this is another one, and it's this one. It's like the same as the one on like the back. The Chronosaurus. We did the Chronosaurus. Just pretty much. Yeah, that Chronosaurus video. You see that, you may know the packaging, but this time it said it has a mountain instead of the water. And there's Bloom Beta over there, Jurassic World logo, and this was the Jurassic World here. And when I did Chronosaurus, it was all ripped. But here's a good look at the Jurassic World. Jurassic World logo. And also, I didn't notice, the name was also right here. You can see the Wild Roar Eocarcharia. I think that's how you spell it, Eocarcharia or Eocarcharia. I'll just say Eocarcharia for now. But it's a really cool dinosaur. Let's go open this thing. Cut the wires. Ooh, we got the tail! The tail! Yes, the tail's right here. And the Eocarcharia and snap it. Oh gosh, it snapped. So the Eocarcharia, let me tell you about a fact about this. So the Eocarcharia, I think is it could be not, but it's related to the Carcharodontosaurus and the Giganotosaurus. So it's from the Carcharodontosaurids. It has the red on the the little head, and the eye has a really nice pupil. The black and also the marshy greens, the feathered, and the tail. This is really odd. It has greens on the tip. Can't it just be the same green as this tail? Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of bland, but still a pretty good one. Articulation, the arms. Oh my gosh, the arms. There we go. The arms move all the way around. Same thing. The legs go like this, and you can move them. Right here, it's noise. And the tail moves. And so the action feature is if you squirrel this, and it jumps. Oh, the Eocarcharia, a feathered dinosaur. I don't know where it lives though. There's a facts app, just with facts app, and you scan it. It will tell the size, where it lived, the weight, and everything. And also, if you see the teeth, it's some blades here. And what happened to wait? The paint is a little bit off. You can see, I don't know if you can see it, but the paint has kind of rubbed off. So yeah, sometimes when I get these newly cooled figures, they have paint outages. I don't know why, but it is expected, but I'm fine with it. It's made by Mattel, and so it's not really perfect. But if it's gonna be at least perfect, just paint toenails, because I don't like a dinosaur toy with non-painted toenails. Like you can see here, and the nails. Well, I'm not sure about that, but it doesn't have painted toenails, which is boring. I do have a little bit of complaints about this, like the paint job and the way that the toenails aren't really, painted. The logo right there is pretty cool. Also, need to put a little more detail with the red. Actually, the red is fine how it looks, and the eye, it looks like there's blood coming out of his eyes. Also, I'm just noticing both sides are different, which I don't know if it's odd or not, but I think it is odd. And I mean, the feature is really nice, and I like the sculpt, how it's like horizontal way and not really vertical. I like horizontal dinosaurs that have the horizontal look. So yeah. So like and subscribe. We have to get to 200 likes. And yeah, you can turn on notifications, or I don't know if there's any notifications. You can turn on likes and subscribes. I mean, it's always a pleasure to like and subscribe. We're on our road to 200 subscribers. So like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.